Fashion Yatra in this new financial year, and it's a very festive, very colorful show because of the festivals which are following. We have the Tej and the Savan season going on, and it is followed by the Shera, Ganesh Chaturthi, all the festivals. So we have lots of clothes which can sustain you throughout the festive season and the upcoming wedding season as well. And we have around 25 to 30 new stalls. In that we have 5 to 10 designers who are just freshers out of NIFT and other designing colleges who are displaying for the first time. And we have everything you want to dress up your home and yourself. The range is as low as 1,000 to, there's no limit. It just goes up to lakhs and all. Clothes for everybody. You have something for smaller kids, to men, to women, and something from casuals to formals. We have Pret, we have couture, and semi-precious jewelry, real jewelry, and a lot of accessories like bags and shoes. Everything you can think of, you need to dress up.
Totally, how many stores?
We have around 65 stores.
How much footfall you are expecting then?
Um,
You are expecting?
See, the people are already saying that they're they're happy. So happy means they've crossed the 50% mark already. So I hope they do well. We normally on an average each stall has a 65 to 70% sale with us. Some go up to as much as 100% because they just have a garment or two left. So I hope we touch those marks or we cross those marks this. No, we have international stuff also from Versace, Rosenthal, something for the home. So you can have a look now.